So I got this thing for free with my Kohl's Cash. It's for people who don't have heated seats. And if your back hurts, like because you sit a lot or you're fat or your boobs are kind of big or whatever's up with your back, it'll give you a massage. And then you don't have to go to one of those places for truck drivers on the side of the road, because I'm pretty sure they're closed right now. That's really easy. Pull it out. I know some other people who like to pull it out. And good for you. I guess I don't even need to do this. Recycle. I'm going to break this down. Okay. It feels very spongy. I think I'm going to flatten this pretty quickly. Plug it into a cigarette lighter, so I'd have to try it in the car. Do you want to go outside? Okay, so put it. Oh, it's upside down. Okay. Smart gear. Put it around this. Oh, I need to make it shorter. This thing is adjusted. Oh, I probably should have put it on and then adjusted it. Okay. And then you just go like, oh, it goes around that way too. Oh shit, I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this. Oops. Okay, there's a whole process here, obviously. There were probably instructions, but you know, I thought I was smart and I like knew how to do things. And this just unhooks, so all that was unnecessary. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this part. I don't know. Like, should it go underneath? Has these hook things? I don't know. I kind of feel like that's too much work. I'm just gonna do this. This stretches. So everyone in the back seat knows that I'm doing something up here. Oh, maybe they're supposed to go in the back too. That's probably what it is. Steffers versus the plastic. Finally prevail. I don't know. This looks weird. Oh, maybe it's like this, and then you hook them together. I don't know. Okay, that seems possible. And I don't know though. What do I do with this? Like, just pull it. I'm gonna just leave that because I don't know what the fuck's going on. I'm sure there's something I'm supposed to do, but whatever. At some point, if it starts sliding around, I might like secure it more, but whatever. Okay, now for the really important part. Is it warm? Does it massage? Does it work? Plug it into this thing. Okay. Okay. Heating. Do I feel it? I don't feel it. So I pushed heating and it's automatically on high. If you keep pushing it, it goes to medium and low. But it does not feel warm. I don't know how long it takes to feel warm. I'm gonna try the massage. Oh, whoa. Okay. Huh. That's doing something. It was going, and I was like, It's like right at like the small of your back. That's kind of cool. Okay, the massage is good. It's high, medium, and low speed. So far, it still isn't warm. But I think the massage thing might be worth it. touching it with my hand to see if it feels warm, and I just don't feel it through like all my shirt layers, but it still doesn't feel warm to me. Maybe it's only warm on the bottom. I didn't think about that. Hold on. I'm gonna touch the part I'm sitting on. It's a little warm right here, but not really, and that might just be because I've been sitting on it. So, I mean, I don't know how patient I'm supposed to be, but it's taking a while to get warm. When I had real heated seats, they were warm like really fast. That was my sad attempt to snap my finger. So, I'm gonna give it like a 6, just because the massage is cool, but you're gonna be disappointed by the heat. And I guess that's all.